a battleground. High stakes, no rules, I'm about to double down. Cause all of my life I've been waiting, and now it's right here for the taking. Sound on, sound off, we about to run this town.
Hey, these niggas, they broke and I feel it. So I keep a Glock if they thinking about stealing. Hey, bitch, I'm active, I really been chillin'. They call me a hero not knowing I step like a villain. Like my kid and my money, I'm trippin'. You know I'ma slide when it comes to this 600 crippin'. These niggas ain't standing no business. They better think twice before they move, cause this Glock it be twitchin'. These niggas some hoes, they be switchin'. Like how you fall out with your dog and go run with some kids. You the type that'll fold on the mission. So that's why before this corona, I kept my little distance. Been getting them lows by the shipments. Throwing them balls to the gang so we all in position.
That nigga a bitch, I can sense it. They know how we play in Motown, we out 3 to 4 switches. I'm gonna go where I'm from here, bitch.
Hey, 7 deep out of Cali with switches. We came back to the city to stand on some business. Shake a few hands to get back to the ring. Think I might just go fuck with trash bag out of Memphis. Hey, when I stroke, I be all in the kidney. She try and deep throat, make a choke, she dizzy. She love it, especially when she off the end. But enough about the pussy, let's talk about these bitches. Hey.
Somebody gon' get to tell them that I'm coming. And you can tell them that I'm coming. Tell them that I'm. Somebody tell the world that I'm coming. I'm trying to tell the world that I'm coming. You can tell them that I'm coming. Somebody tell the world that I'm coming. Somebody tell the world that I'm coming. And you can tell them that I'm coming. You ought to know by now, those streets ain't really loyal to you. Don't know why you being loyal back. I done seen it kill too many people. Strip them down for everything they got. Somebody tell the world that I'm coming. Trying to tell the world that I'm coming. And you can tell them that I'm coming. Somebody tell the world that I'm coming. Somebody tell the world that I'm coming. And you can tell them that I'm. The OGs tell me keep it going. And never let them get me off track. Hit them hard with that real talk. And let that you upstairs handle what you lack. I know I done sacrificed a lot of time for it. Letting God handle a lot of moves. Trusting in them got me higher than I ever been. Doors coming open like the hinge falling off the screws.